Well, Janet's sat in her normal corner.
She's making me go on a shakedown.
We're going to go out on a shakedown cruise. Just a couple of hours or so, just across the bay, just to check the mainsail and other bits and pieces. Looks like it's going to be a reasonable day. Winds are okay, not too bad, from a reasonable direction for sailing and a reasonable strength, and we've got some blue sky. Yeah.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Yeah, this is Baru. Could we have a lock out, please? Over.
Yes, certainly, no problem. Make your way around. I'll open the gates for you now.
Okay, many thanks. Yeah. So our plan was just to take Baru out for a little shakedown, go out into the bay, head south with the wind a little bit, get her under sail and see how things perform. Surprising. It's about 6 months have gone by since we last took Baru out. It's good to see. I haven't forgotten how to do that. So, like always, it's a case of just moving around to the lock to get out to sea. It felt good to be out, but first of all, let's get the main. So turn to wind and start the process of raising the main. Stop, bring it down. Let's come out. Yeah, got it. So what went wrong when we raised the main first time? So our main is furled onto the boom and the luff runs up this track, this plastic track here, which goes all the way up to the top of the mast. Now at the head of the main, you just see it in there, there is a metal rod which is attached inside the track, but then there's a gap just there. It's only half an inch or so is the gap. The gap is between the metal rod and the luff rope. So what had happened is the sail had dropped back and the luff rope had just come out of this piece here, and then when we came to raise the sail, the luff rope came up this side, so it wasn't actually captivated in there. So as the sail went up, the wind caught it and it just pulled it away. It was still attached at the top but nowhere else, so we had to drop that. And then what happened on the second attempt is, because we've been messing about and getting this right, the main halyard got itself tangled onto the mast steps further up the mast. And so we raised it, didn't realise it was caught behind the mast steps, and so it wouldn't go up any further. So we had to drop it yet again. So 2 or 3 attempts to get the main up, which wasn't what we wanted. Well, a little bit of entanglement there. The main halyard got itself blown and wrapped around the steps on the mast, so caused a bit of fun, but we're seem to be all right now. It's just teething problems. It's been a while since we've been out, but we're under sail doing about 4 or 5 knots. Yeah, just below 5 knots. At last, settled down to sail. So, we had a southwesterly breeze. It was blowing 12 to 14 knots southwesterly. So we were on a broad reach, starboard tack, and moving along quite steadily. Started off around about 5.5 knots, got up to close to 6 as we progressed south.
Reporting flying wrong.
Somerset to UBS, all copies. Question: can the master confirm that your pilot boarding arrangements comply with SOLAS and IMO requirements SOLAS?
Yes, the board side compliant and linked to the
Somerset to UBS, message received. You can monitor channel 09. The pilot could have stayed V. Will contact you shortly. Over.
Channel 09 for a pilot. Thank you.
It was quite busy out there with shipping. Not many leisure craft out at all. A couple of fishermen, but we had tankers, ro-ro ferries. 3 were coming out of the Tees. We were reasonably well offshore, away from the shipping channel, but still in Tees BTS control. And they
Thanks
were
very much, sir.
quite good, very informative, keeping us and other shipping well informed.
TVTS Yacht Peru, we've just turned heading back to the hand of the water.
The Peru TVS, that's all copies. Traffic information to Ferry Somerset, system back at pilot. She'll be entering the channel in the next 10 minutes, over.
Yeah, all copied, we've got eyes on, standing by on.
Milios, pilot filter 14 or
Pilot 14, yo.
channel 9 please, 09.
09.
Now, when we turned to head back, the wind got up, still southwesterly, which meant that we had to run close hauled to make our way back up to Hartlepool. But it got up, it got strong. It was blowing 20 up to 28 knots at one point.
Sorry?
Sounds like another big gust.
And so that's it. Back into the calm of Hartlepool, back into the lock. It was a good day, enjoyed it. We were out about 3 hours.